Well, tonight there are new laws on the books in South Carolina that weren't there when 2024 started. The state legislature passed bills this year ranging from gun control to tax cuts, and most of them have already gone into effect, but a few have start dates for 2025. Our Josie Frost has more on what laws will be in play when the clock strikes midnight and a recap of what laws went into effect earlier this year.
South Carolina doesn't have many laws that go into effect at the start of the year, unlike some other states you may be hearing or reading about. Most of our new laws went into effect at the signature of the governor or at the start of the fiscal year back in July. This year, there's been 3 minor bills that deal with local issues in Lancaster, Florence, and Laurens counties that start on January 1st, 2025. Other bills went into effect earlier this year, including one allowing open carry of firearms without a permit. The state also passed a ban on gender-affirming care for minors, becoming the 25th state to restrict things like hormone treatment for transgender kids. This year's state budget went into effect in July, including a cut in income taxes and a proviso banning cell phones in state schools. That went into effect earlier this year, but the deadline for districts to implement that policy is the start of the upcoming semester. Teachers got a pay raise also to a minimum starting salary of $47,000. But there's more bills on tap to go into effect on July 1st of 2025. A bill changing the commission of lawmakers tasked with vetting the state's judges. The Selection Commission will now have 12 members with 4 appointed by the governor, who long called for changes in the process. Another bill taking effect in July will mandate South Carolina schools to implement seizure training and health care plans for students with medical needs. Lawmakers are also set to carry over some issues from 2024 as well. Senate leaders have identified bringing back private school vouchers and tackling the state's energy crisis. Lawmakers reconvene on January 14th. Josie Frost, News 18, WLTX.